Alright, just means my little sister from heaven. So, I'll see you later. Hi there, how you guys doing today? Hello. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. So today I'm going to Walmart right now. I have the new rim brought in because the rim on the driver's side is not the original. So that's the rim. I'm gonna go get a tire for that. The hook for the car came in, so I'll show you in my next video. But I was at church doing a few things. But I gotta go do that real quick before I go to work. So the rim is here. The bumper should arrive soon, and a few other things that I needed. The car developed a new problem, so a BMW. So I gotta look at that later. But for now, I gotta go get the tire, and hopefully the bumper comes in, and that'll be it for exterior. Then I can focus on more things to do. So stay tuned.
You look like a child.
Hello, people. So today I'm doing some few shopping. That's not good English. I'm doing a few things by going to shop for them, and I have Josephine on my team today. Hi, Josephine. I don't know if you guys can see her, but I got some bleeder screws for the coolant because I broke the one in the car, and then I have to go to Walmart because AutoZone didn't have the one I wanted. So I got a personal driver today. What's up?
No,
this life is good. Anyway, but yeah, I gotta go get another cable. I think I need like a 5 feet maybe, or at least a 6 to get everything I need done. I'm gonna change the tire. We're gonna spray the parts that I sanded out that I haven't sanded out. Uber driver, let's go. Let's go to Walmart. You can go this way, I'll show you. Yeah, I'm the boss today. And then if I have enough time, because it's only 2 o'clock, I could try to check out so the car is not idling now. When you start it, it idles for a few seconds and it dies out. So I gotta check the idle valve and see what's going on over there. And then after that, we'll see what happens. Say bye to Josephine.
Bye.
Alright, Josephine's my little sister from heaven. So I'll see you later, bye. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got the AutoZone stuff, and now we just came from Home Depot to get tape and positive, negative wire. And we're now heading home, so Justin's gonna jack the car because, man, I look bummy. He's gonna jack the car and we'll get started. All right, guys, so today I have help from Josephine. From the camera, you don't see.
No, thank you.
I'll put a picture there. But we're gonna clean this rim. This is a new rim I got. Gonna go on the other side and come along with me. So I did a really good job on some of the sides. So you can tell there's runs and peels all over there. Gotta fix that. It's not very clear. Same on the rest of the free tire. So we're gonna spray this. What you need, I like to do is, since I'm getting better, use regular plastic spray. I'll show you how to do it. You got 3-4 layers lightly so it's fully dark. You use a gloss black, and if you want to be very extra, use charcoal. I like mine to look a little matte because that's me. And let's get into it. You can get a little extra layers. And I get the first clear layers, which is, I don't care about the paint getting on the sides because I like it like that. And then you just spray. Now you get the insides so that you have I already have runs, as you can see, but I really don't care about the runs because I spray over again. And then get the corners, back, corners, like that. And so it's done with all the layers, okay? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now I gotta make sure the tire is straight. I forgot I had to turn the other way while I wait for that coat to dry. I'll show you the problem with the car. So when I start it,
It's straight.
it idles. Yeah, because I had it in first gear. Yeah, one thing about manuals, I was teaching how to drive it. I left it in first gear, so it's shot. Never do that. Even though the handbrake is on, it's gonna still shoot. So I'm gonna start the car again. Start. Yeah, it doesn't idle for too long, so I gotta figure out what's going on. But the tire's straight now. I'll try to move the car back a bit. Looks like it's lasting a little longer now, but it will die on me eventually. So, and it smells like a lot of gas is burning. I don't know where that smell is coming from. We're gonna look at that. I think I'm gonna pump out the oil from the car. I mean the gas, and put in the right gas in there, which is 93, 91. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're making some progress. So that's the progress with this car. There's a lot of wind, so it's spraying in a very gritty way. But with constant coating and a good enough layer of coat, it should be good. Now come over here. This car is great, but it's old. It wasn't properly maintained. Maintaining cars, guys. There's a lot of rust under, so when I tried to jack the car up, the rust was cracking. I'm gonna get closer. There's a lot of rust on the floor. Yeah, so yeah, and I have to get the battery. I don't know if it's safe to do that, but I have a battery there. I should have done a jack stand, but it's gonna be very economical, you know. I don't have all the supplies here, so I got a new tow, whatever. The bumper is supposedly here, but I can't see it in my property, but I gotta wait and call FedEx. But Josephine's gonna wipe it off with some WD-40 because some of these have rust on it, and I don't think it's safe to put it back there without getting it cleaned up a bit, you know. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna spray it up a bit so that it has a new color and a new shine. So stay tuned, guys. All right, hi guys. So I took the tire off. It's behind the view, and over here in the front, this is what it looks like. This is in bad condition. If you get closer, that's really bad. A lot of rust. Fortunately, the calipers are not that bad. So I'm gonna clean them off a bit, and I think I want to spray this a different color just for, you know, design. But yeah, maintenance is important, guys. I'm gonna do this for a little bit, clean the thing off, and then spray a different color. Stay tuned.
Yes. You went inside to get, yeah.
So, after I get this off and I clean off the sand, the rest of the whatever, I realized I have this. It's a 2-in-1 paint and rust sealer, and I have the regular red over here. So I'm going to spray a light coat with this for a cover, then I'm going to cover it with this next. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So I sprayed it. I realized I missed a few parts, but no big deal. I'm gonna just run this right here and then let that dry again. Good.